Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the lesson 11, time. Let's start with the time. Write the time on the following clocks in two different ways as shown. So, one already given, this 3, 3, 10. Ten minutes past 3. Okay, here. Eight 30 minutes past 8 or half past 8. Anything you can write. Okay, next 8:55, 5 minutes to 9. Okay, next fill in the blanks. 1 day is equal to dash hours. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Dash is the 4th month of the year. April. The year in which February has 29 days is called a leap year. Okay, let's see practice 1. Tell the time in two ways. "20 minutes past 5. 40 minutes to 6. Next, 35 minutes past 11. So, second one, 25 minutes to 12. How to do this? I hope you know the time. It's already we learnt in 3rd standard, right? So, see, 35 minutes past 11 means we have to count it from here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. It's in 7, right? 7 is 35. 35 minutes past 11. It's 11:35 on time. So, another way how to do, again, after 7 we have to count. Okay, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So 25 minutes to 12. Okay, here also same. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Okay, 50 minutes past 3. So answer 3:50. Actually 50 minutes past 3. After, again another way, after 10 we have to count 5, 10. 10 minutes to 4. Okay, next 5, 10. 10 minutes past 10. 50 minutes past to 11. After 2 you have to count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. 50 minutes to 11. Okay, next 7:15. How to do this 7:15? 15 minutes past 7. Next 45 minutes to 8. Okay. Next 6, 5. 5 minutes past 6. Then 55 minutes to 7. If you don't know, just write a clock and write the time. Then we have to same what I told, the same method you have to do. Okay. 12:45. 45 minutes past 12. 15 minutes to 1. Okay. 8:55. It's here. It's there, no? 8:55. 55 minutes past 8. 5 minutes to 9. Understood? So for this we finished our practice 1. Okay. Tell the time in 2 ways. Okay. Next, tomorrow we will see telling time to the exact minutes. Okay. Thank you.